Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution for the third question in exercise 7.4. Let's look at the first subdivision, integral of 3x plus 1, the whole thing divided by 3x squared plus 2x minus 5 the whole cube dx. So we are going to put this expression in the denominator as t. So 3x squared plus 2x minus 5 is equal to t. So 6x plus 2 into dx is equal to dt. We already have 3x plus 1 dx in the numerator. So I'm going to take 2 outside. So 2 into 3x plus 1 dx is equal to dt. So we now need only the value for 3x plus 1 dx. So 3x plus 1 into dx is equal to dt divided by 2. Now let's put this in the integration. So this will become dt divided by 2 divided by t cube. So we'll take the 1 by 2 outside. So this will become t to the power minus 3 dt. So after integration, this will be 1 by 2 into t to the power minus 2 by minus 2 plus c. So minus 1 by 4 t squared plus c. Let's put the value of t back. So this is minus 1 by 4 into 3x squared plus 2x minus 5 the whole squared plus c. Now let's take up the second subdivision in this question. It is integral of 2x divided by cube root of x squared plus 1 dx. So we are going to put the expression x squared plus 1 as t. So x squared plus 1 is t. So 2x dx is equal to dt. So the numerator will now change as simply dt. The denominator is t to the power 1 by 3. So I can rewrite this as integral t to the power minus 1 by 3 dt. So let's integrate now. So this will become t to the power 2 by 3 by 2 by 3 plus c. Reorganize. So 3 by 2 t to the power 2 by 3 plus c. Put back the value of t. So this is 3 by 2 into x squared plus 1 the whole power 2 by 3 plus c. In the next video, we will find the solution to the fourth question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.